Okay, so I'm doing a review on this vacuum I just got, and I am cleaning under the bed. Wow. It comes with two poles, and it comes with some attachments here. You can actually pull these apart and clean the tub out. You can clean the filter out. There's a filter here, and there's a filter in here that you can take apart and clean. You just push the button and twist it, and this here you can open the canister and dump the dirt out. This roller comes out so you can get all the stuff off the roller and actually clean that too. You don't want to clean this in the water, but you can dust it off really good. I'm really impressed. I have gotten a lot of dirt off of things. These were under the bed, and I took this attachment here and I dusted the blinds and all that stuff over there, and I dusted over here. As you see, everything's pulled out and it's a mess, but what really got me and I was really shocked about is, you know, our beds with these little cracks here? I took and cleaned all of this out. There was so much dust. It looked like sand is what it looked like. I still have to do a little bit more over here, but this thing's amazing. And another thing I like about it is the stick is so long that you can get underneath your bed, which I haven't done yet. I'm going to do that in a few minutes after doing the review here. But I really like this product. So the battery has a switch over here. You can remove it. There's another switch over here. This is the speed. You got, I had to turn it on. So there's the first speed. That's the second speed. There's two speeds. And you turn it on and off right there. They do have batteries that they sell and extra filters that they sell online. But you can literally clean these and it will last a long time if you take care of those filters in here. I will tell you more about the product when in my description, and I'll take a couple more pictures so that you can see that. Love it. I also wanted to let you all know it's for hardwood wood floors and tile floors. This is a tile floor here. You don't want to do it on thick carpets. It won't work. It will destroy the motor. So heads up, it's for hardwood and tile floors, and actually what is that? I think it's called linoleum. I don't know how to pronounce it. Flooring. It's like a flat plastic type thing. But anyways, I'm impressed with this product, and I think you will be too. I highly recommend it.
This thing's pretty awesome. It's where you power it. It has a retractable battery if you want to pull the battery out. In here, quick release for debris. It does come with two filters. Pretty awesome, pretty nice, very nice unit. Power has dual power. Kind of quiet, works really good. Try to do it with a dual camera. It does work really good. I love this thing. Light. Easy to hold. You can see it pull up on a rug. So it's got some really good suction. I'm trying to think what else I have on here. Comes with all the different parts. You can see everything spinning inside there already. Dog here. We got dogs. Works really good. I love it. Just picked up a bug. Dead beetle. Anyhow, this thing is amazing. I love it. It does have a telescopic. If I can do it, show you. So it does get pretty high. So if you're tall, not to worry. It works good. Great buy. Thing works so amazing.
There.
Here's the vacuum cleaner in action, as you can see. Nice, powerful suction. Able to get behind all this stuff here without having to move it around with the attachment I got on here. As you can see, it collects down here in the reservoir.
This vacuum is lightweight and seems to be doing just as good a job as some of the more expensive models. Rechargeable battery and a very bright light in the front.
Great little vacuum. Turn it on, it's got a power boost. Turn it off, it's got a little light. And as you can tell, it works really well. Great unit, definitely worth the money. Easy to clean, easy to take the cup out. Good product.
And it's adjustable. So you can adjust the length of the vacuum.
Ready?